In today's video, I will introduce you to 5 brand new AI bots that you can use to make money online. The first AI robot is Creator, which allows you to create videos in different languages, so this AI tool can create this AI. Their generated avatars can speak in different languages including Chinese, Spanish, Italian, and French. You can basically start a YouTube channel in another language, or you can charge customer for this service. And basically what you can do is you can get someone to create the videos on Fiverr and pay for it in different language, or just start a channel yourself in Spanish or Italian or all these different languages to target a better audience. The next website is likeforlike.org. You can exchange likes and followers for likes and followers. So basically like them on an Instagram post. You get credits and you can exchange those credits for likes and followers on your Instagram page. So here's how you can do it. Give is to be able to install and like a robot that is supposed to do the work for you, so you don't actually have to do it yourself. You get all the credit and points you collect, then you can sell those accounts for thousands, if not thousands of dollars on a popular website called fameswap.com. The next AI bot is called PhoneSites. PhoneSites.com and PhoneSites allows you to create professional looking websites with the push of a button from your phone. So you can install this. You can create websites on your phone and you can never make money with those websites yourself. Or you can sell this as a service, or even create websites and sell them on flipbot.com and empireflippers.com. Sell all these can be done with one push. The next AI you can use to create online jobs without doing your own work is called Sidekick.ai. With the push of a button, you just describe your product, the AI creates a copy, adds images and customize everything, and of course you can publish it yourself on your landing page. The next AI tool that you can use to earn money online without doing your own work is called Yara.ai. Yara is a copywriting tool that allows you to create copy for various websites and landing pages, or write blog posts and articles. You can earn money in different ways. You can sell those blog posts and articles, you can find clients and you can get paid from clients for doing this, or you can even create blog posts and articles or include affiliate links there. You share the editor on a blog or medium.com. So you pretty much just enter the text here and Yara does all the work.